Uh, it comes to a point in time and shit. You just gotta put that shit up, you know what I mean? That's what I came to do. Look. Mama told me get my grocery bag. Mama told me get my duffel bag. She said you better get the hell on and don't call me no more. So I don't call her phone. She say, Steve, when you gonna come home? I told mama you kicked me out a long time ago. So I started rhyming over. And the street lights came on, I couldn't go in the house, so I was homeless. Everybody look at me now. I'm living in the house and shit, but it ain't mine, but I feel like a mountain, bitch. I'm so high, nigga, I'm so high. Why you think I get fresh to death, nigga? I'm so fly, fly. Call me a fly guy. If I slip, I probably fall out the sky high. Nigga, that's high. And y'all niggas wave the STE, bye-bye. Mouth so dry, cause y'all smoking on that bush. Voila. I'm trying to kill that shit.